All right, here we are. This new apartment. There's the elevator. There's the roof. Part of the roof. It's too hot to go out there though. And this is the new place. Floors are something shiny. I don't know what. There's the cat thing. There's a camel request from Angela. Maybe a little coffee in there too. I don't know. And some plants. Peppers and whatever that thing is. And the unkillable plant. And the painted kitty litter box. And here's what it looks like outside. It's just a pretty much a residential area. No tall buildings here, so that's good. And no traffic. That's good too. TV, robot vacuum, which works great. My wiring to get me from the living room to the office over there. Here's where I sleep. That's I got the bed frame thing for free from the person that I bought the washing machine and the refrigerator from. Nobody wanted the bed thing, so they gave it to me. There's a potato, and there's little gnats in there. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get those guys out. There's another one of those green things, an unkillable plant. More view of outside. This is taken apart because the guys just came today to put the window shutter machine in there, and I'll show you how that operates. This electrical box wasn't powered, so the electrician's got to come back and power that up. Here's my closet area, and instead of buying a wooden closet freestanding, I just put in some shelves, and I got a broomstick right there that's working as my clothes hanger. So the bathroom doesn't have any cabinets, so I got bathroom cabinets, and then I got underwear, clothes, socks, stuff like that. And the bathroom itself is pretty dinky, and I'm using a shower curtain rod just to hold my towel and the bath mat that just got washed, so it's wet. But it gets splashy in here taking a shower. So I'm gonna check out this caulk job. This quality. See if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not. Quality workmanship. It's pretty much solid caulk right there. That's how they do it. And I don't know what that mortar is doing there. Anyways. So I have a squeegee, so I squeegee the floor off when I get done making a mess in here. Pretty much everything gets wet. But they make these huge places and then weird, wimpy bathrooms. It's very, very different. Here's the office area, and there you see what the shutters look like. That's what they call them. They call them shutters. They go all the way down and close and make it pitch black in here. So I got junk I still need to get organized here. And kitty litter boxes make great moving boxes. So here's my little home lab set up for computer crap. And there's some Bitcoin mining crap that isn't making me any money. There's another bathroom. Same weirdness. I've got stuff hanging up here because I don't have a dryer. So, there's the tour guide. What are you doing, cat? And here's my dryer. Here's some more junk I need to get sorted out. Another view of the outside. Just a bunch of rooftops. And there's one tower over there, but much better than where I was living before. There's just nothing going on out here, which is what we want. This is a door I took off the hinges leading to the kitchen because I didn't see the point of having a kitchen door. But yeah, same small bathroom. But here are the slaves' quarters. This is where a maid would live. A very small room for a maid. I think that's probably why they would have this door here for the kitchen, in case the maid got up, started cooking everybody dinner or breakfast, and people didn't want to be woken up, so she could shut the door to the kitchen. Here's my water exit from the washing machine. Still needs a little work. It's leaking, it's a mess. I gotta figure that out. So here's the maid's bathroom, so she doesn't have to use the normal bathrooms because nobody wants to mix bathrooms with the maid. Here's my little washing machine, and there's the cat, making sure that she gets some TV time. So this little hose right here, I'm gonna just experiment with this and see if I can't make this washing machine thing a little bit better. The problem is that drain is a little bit stinky too. I don't know why, but water needs to go in there and it needs to be covered up so it's not stinky. So whatever. There's my little water machine, so I don't have to buy a bunch of bottled water. This thing here is $3, so you just buy that. And I think I'm probably going to keep a couple of them and cut them and maybe make some plant potters, or I don't know, do some shit with it. Yeah, there she is, hamming it up again. So kitchen cabinets. Kitchen layout is a little bit weird. Where I'm standing right here, I think, is where the fridge is supposed to go. I don't know why, but the stove is supposed to go here, and it's supposed to have a hood vent, which isn't complete yet. But I just stuck the fridge there because I'm not going to buy a stove. I just have a induction hot plate that I'm going to use for stove action. Mostly I'm cooking with the pressure cooker right now anyways, so I don't really need to do anything in a pan, but I will. And this is Breakfast of Champions right here, a little Cocoa Pebbles action, and I like the chunky soup chili, and she just can't get enough of making sure she gets in the camera view. Let's see what other goodies we got in here. Oh, I gotta show you this stuff. Oh, I've been trying to eat no meat. So I got a whole bunch of lentils and, oh yeah, some burritos. It's 75% off at the PX because it's expired. I don't care. This is the best thing ever. Peanut butter with dark chocolate, but it's not too sweet. Oh, it's good. And I got a deal on the rice. I normally make rice. Let's see. They sell it in the big buckets here. Oh yeah, here we go. This is about 6 months worth of rice. It's very good, but you know, if you get lazy, you gotta have some ready rice. And I got some turkey stuffing for I don't know what. I think that was on sale too. Anyways, so this is the place. Way bigger than I need, but it's working out good. Location is very good for work and for quiet. And I'm on the top floor, but I was concerned that the air conditioner wouldn't be able to keep up because it's hot, but it's keeping up just fine. Let me show you outside from this room. Here's how they keep water normally on all the buildings, including mine right now. And they actually, those things heat up so much that they turn off their hot water heaters in the summertime, and then they have a separate air conditioner that all it does is air condition the water so that you don't get burned up when you take a shower. And it's needed. As full as just can't get enough. And there's the mosque right there, which is not an ideal location. However, I don't know know if you can see it or not, but those megaphones right there that broadcast the prayer, they're pointed really close to directly at the place, but not directly at the place, unlike my last apartment where it was directly at the place. And the guy here is more reasonable on the mic. The guy at my last place was just screaming bloody murder on that damn thing, so there was no escaping it. So at least here he gets on there and talks in a normal tone of voice. Yeah, so that's it. I got to get that thing in the mail. So, and what else? What else going on? Nothing. I guess we can show you outside. It's evening time. Let's go out there and see if we don't die. They got air conditioners, and I looked at the tag. Their Train brand, at least that one, is actually made in Panama City. Or maybe not made in Panama City, but distributed through Panama City. Kind of cool. I'm hoping this is some roof material that's sitting here. Hopefully the landlord will put up some type of cabana or something here. That's the main road next to the apartment, and it's not very full of traffic, and that's a good thing. Some kids preschool there. I've never seen a kid. They got bars on the windows, so maybe it's a front for a kid's jail. Let's see what we got going on here. Not much. Pretty quiet. No real traffic noise. It's good. Good spot. Landlord's a Kuwaiti. Every other word he says is inshallah. He speaks some decent English. Actually, his grandkid is in Orlando. But, oh, there goes an air conditioner. I'll not walk under this. This is where the water is kept up there. But inshallah means God willing. So everything he says is, oh, we come Tuesday, we fix your windows, inshallah. Like, motherfucker, don't give me the inshallah, just come fix the shit. So that's his parking area. And then we're around the corner without covers yet, so we'll see. Hopefully we get covered parking soon. And that's it. When are you gonna come visit? Welcome to Kuwait. I got all this room. Come on over. The weather's fine. Well, that completes the tour. Let's see where the cat's going. What are you looking at? Jumpy? Jumpy? She never gets in that whole thing right there. But there's no, she doesn't like this apartment because now I got this thing, this bed thing here, and she can't get under the bed and hide. So I got this box that my shelves were in. It came with that hole right there. I thought she would sneak in there, or I got this box with a t-shirt over it, and I thought she would sneak in there. See, it's got a hole where the head is. But she doesn't get in there either. I'll show you where she likes to hide. Come here, cat. Come here. Show us this. Come here. Hey. Show us the spot right here. Come here. She doesn't listen, but sometimes she surprises me. See if she'll get up here. This is where she likes to hide out. Right, come here. Get up in here. Come here. Do it for the camera. Come on. She gotta stand on the dish towel. Motherfucker. enough of that. Get up in the cabinet. The window guys were here earlier, and she was fit to be tied. She couldn't find a spot to hide, so I had to open the cabinet for her because I'm trying to get her to quit doing it. So I opened the cabinet, and she jumped in there and went right to sleep. Idiot. Putting hair on the counter. All right. Let's see if I can turn this around. That concludes your tour. Just wandering around this place. The air conditioner's working pretty good. It's set on 20 degrees Celsius. I don't know what it is, but it's not ice cold in here, so that's good. It can get a lot colder, especially since I had them caulk the windows. All right, we're out of here. Say bye, cat. Say bye.